Hello, learners. Welcome back to class. You're welcome back to another class of writing our letters. Today we'll be writing letter D. Letter D. We have started gradually. We started letter A, B, C, and today we'll be writing letter D. So let's write together letter D. So I'll pick up my pencil now as we write letter D. I'll pick my pencil. Okay. Yes, letter D. So follow me closely as I write letter D straight down. Can you see that? And curve. Oh, let's clean that. Straight down. Yes. So let's go straight down and curve. Can you see that? Straight down and curve. Straight down and curve. Very simple, right? That is letter D. Straight down and curve. Letter D. So pick your pen and your notes and write while I wait for you. Write letter D. Straight down and curve. Let's do it again. Straight down and curve. Straight down and curve. Good of you. Good job. So keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. So I'll see you again in the next class when we'll be writing another letter. Till I come your way again. Bye.